What's up everyone, it's Newman here and you are welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to start the Venom airdrop tutorials, right? So for those who already know what Venom airdrop is all about and are struggling to do or perform some of the tasks, this video or this series is going to be of great help. For those who do not know what Venom airdrop is, well, Venom is a scalable blockchain solution that is designed to meet the needs of real-world applications, basically. And it also happens to be one of the very high potential airdrops in 2023. So I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check it out and get started with the Venom airdrop. So that's just a little intro for that. I would also like to mention that this video is brought to you by Ghana Blog, but more on that at the latter part of this video, so stay tuned. So over in your Venom wallet, you can see we have the faucets tab and then the tax area, right? So you go ahead and click on the tax area. So for this video, we'll be doing the Venom Burn airdrop. So you simply scroll down to where you can see follow Venom Burn on Twitter. So you just click on that and it will take you to the Twitter landing page or the app if you have the app. As you can see, I'm on the Venom Burn Twitter page, so you just click on follow and then you go back to your Venom wallet and then you press on the check tab or button, however you want to refer to it. So you see it loads at the top, it says that task completed. Then we'll move on to the next one. So here you can see connect wallet right below those numbers. Now those are just the number of people who have connected their Venom wallets already. Venom is a really big project and there are many people worldwide, checking their testnet. So that's not financial advice, by the way. Always make sure to do your own research, right? So click on connect wallet and then you select your Venom wallet. Now that our Venom wallet is connected, we are going to be choosing between one of these other projects with which you want to burn some of your Venom tokens. So you can also see other people's wallet addresses, those who have performed the most recent transactions. So you go back and you tap on burn your Venom. Here you choose how much Venom tokens you want to burn. I'll just select 10. The next thing here is to select what project with which you want to burn your Venom token. So I'll just select the Oasis Gallery. So okay, and then press burn. Then you verify the transaction with your password or seed phrase. I use biometric verification. You may do it in a different way. It's all the same. So there we are. Our operation has been successful. So you just go back to the page, the previous page, and you can see now the number increases by 1. That is you. So the final step is to go on to mint your NFT. So you just tap on mint, approve of the transaction, and then wait for your NFT to be minted. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, give this video a thumbs up and also make sure you subscribe to my channel. If this is your first time joining us, make sure you are subscribed in order not to miss the rest of the series and also to support this channel. So thanks for subscribing. So there we have it. Our Venom Burn NFT has been minted successfully. A simple and easy process. So if you are interested to learn more about cryptocurrencies and their blockchain technology, how it works, or even you want to learn and know more about the Venom blockchain network and all of that, I'll urge you to join the Ghana Blog community. They are one of the fastest growing Web3 communities in Africa and is open to anyone and everyone who is interested to learn more. The best part is it's all free, right? So just join the community and learn together with the experts in the space. So I'll leave a link in the description of this video. You can just go and check it out. So thank you guys for watching, and as always, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.